Hi everyone, it's me, Aterubz, and for today's video, we are going to unbox a parcel from Lazada. Okay, so from the title itself, it seems like you knew already what it is. Yes, this is Crocs that I ordered from the official store of Lazada. And I got this for the price of 1,700 pesos because it's sale during that time. So ngayon parang bumalik na siya sa dati niyang price from 1,700 pesos, naging 2,495 pesos na siya. So it's better to shop when there are sale. Okay, so I know a lot of you are familiar about this footwear brand because this is so familiar here in the Philippines. So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ang Crocs has a silhouette style. They have clogs, flip, sandals, slides, and wedges. So each styles, meron silang iba't ibang klase. Like clogs, they have different styles and colors. Ganon din ang flip, sandals, slides, and wedges. And also, Crocs Incorporation is an American footwear company based in Broomfield, Colorado. Okay, so I just googled that. Don't call me genius. So this is what I ordered. This is a classic platform flips, and I also have a classic clogs, which is so cute and comfy. You can also wear this footwear whenever you are wearing your shorts, like leggings, jeans, yeah, dress. Yeah, dress can be, but it should be like yung babagay talaga sa kanya. I also love this color so much. It's like light orange or papaya orange. I don't know. And also sa sizing, guys, is a bit different sa usual natin size. Like for example, me, I'm size 7. But when it comes to Crocs, I am size 6. So what I did is I went to the store, physical store, at nagsukat ako doon. Then I found out that I am size 6. So yeah, be careful when buying online, especially sa sizing. Okay, so I know not everyone are indulging or investing a footwear because it's way expensive. But according to Donald J. Pliner, when the feet are comfortable, so is the mind, body, and soul. See, that's why I love my Crocs because it's so comfy. So yun lang. Bye-bye!